Ang 1999 American supernatural thriller film na ito ay idinirect ni M. Night Shyamalan. Tama.
Tama.
Okay. Kids, camera, action!
I wanna tell you my secret now. Okay. I see that people in your dreams while you're awake. That people like in graves, in coffins, walking around like regular people. They don't see each other. They only see what they wanna see. They don't know they're dead. How often do you see them? All the time they are everywhere.
And cut! Let's give it up for Jason Argus. Galing, ah. They see dead people. Okay, nasa kamay? Sumagot kayo in 3, 2, 1, action! Vice and Sean!
Ganun lang pala yun.
Wait,
Ganun pala yun.
Sixth Sense.
Ay!
Sixth Sense is wrong.
Ay, mali.
Taas ang kamay. 3, 2, 1, action! Teddy and Ion.
The Sixth Sense.
The Sixth Sense is correct! Sorry, Sean. Kulang ka lang ng article thought. Sayang.
Grabe itong mga classmates ko.
Bakit?
Wala kami
Noong
ginagawa.
unang hindi ako naniniwalang aandar ito. Kasi sabihan kami, 7 Sundays, tanging yaman. Tapos sabi mo, ano yun, alam mo ba, tanging yaman. Itong huli, horror. Pagtingin ko talaga, si Jug sabing gano'n kayo.
Ay, nasabihin.
Talagang tinalikuran mo.
Kanya yun.
Pinulong mo talaga kay Ogie. Hindi mo nilakasan talaga. Group answering tayo dito, di ba?
Hindi ko naman alam.
Nung alam ng horror.
Hindi mo naman...
Pero in fairness,
Ugali nito mga mayayaman kong classmate.
Sabi ni Ayon, ano to ba to? Family feud ba to?
This is showing bulilit, guys.
Tinuring akong kalaban bigla nung dalawa.
gusto lang namin maka-point kay Lisa.
Okay pala kayo.
Bukya pa.
Kasama pala kayo.